Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Capri, the Nurse Practitioner Extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and supporting. Today I want to talk about being in the moment. Yes, if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about being in the moment. Because for those of us who are leaders, who are constantly goal-oriented, constantly doing something, planning, like me, what gets planned gets done. Yes, there is a time and a place for that. I stand by that solely, definitely. But there is something about being in the moment for those of us who are planners, for those of us who are leaders, for those of us who are very, very goal oriented, very, very much we need to be reminded that there is a time and a place to slow down and to just take in what's happening at the moment instead of planning for the next moment, right? Like, here's an example. I was with a patient and the patient's caregiver, and she was giving me information about what was going on, but she was also kind of telling me about what was going on in her life. This is the caregiver, not the patient. The person who takes care of my patient when I'm not around. And she was telling me about some things that were happening with her that helped me to understand why he wasn't getting what he needed. But I did notice how I was in that moment. I was thinking about, okay, I really was thinking about the next patient that I needed to see, like what I was, how I was going to exit this and get over to that. And I thought, okay, slow down and be here in this moment and listen to what she's saying about her and how she's taking care of my patient and some of the things that I need to put in place so that when she's not able to, that he's still getting the care that he needs. Now, let me put that in context of my personal life. Sometimes when I'm in a situation, lovely situation, I can be planning for the next thing. And while planning for the next thing, I may miss what's happening in that moment. So here's a reminder for those of you who are planners, goal-oriented, busy, stay in the mix. Try to enjoy the moment. Try to be in the moment that you're in. That's my tip for today. That's my Tuesday's tip. Be in the moment. That is all I have. I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye now.